G'day everyone, it's Chriso. When doing a niche, I like to put my back in first and then set up my aluminium. Like so. This is just so it doesn't fall. Tape it in place. Like so. I'm nearly out of here. I've just got to do that niche over there once I've done this one. A couple of tiles at the doorway here, down there, and then tomorrow I'll be grouting it all. I'll come back. I won't try and do it all tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll grout it all. I'll come back the next morning and silicon it instead of trying to rush and get it all in one day. No. It's better when you're it's better to silicon if you can the next day everything's dry, but a lot of times I I silicon same day. I pack up all my tools, clean up, and by then it's everything's dry. Use a few wedges. Cool. Okay, well I'll cut my top and bottom and sides, and I'll fit them